Hi everybody, welcome back to another CYT-Crypto episode. My name is Stephen Aitchison and today we'll be looking at the US. This is the traffic light charts for Ultra. Now you know I'm very bullish on Ultra overall, so from a macro point of view I'm really bullish on Ultra and where it's going to go as well, and I've done a couple of videos on where I think it's going to go as well. But we're looking at the here and now just now, and we're looking at the traffic light chart. So with traffic light charts, you've seen this before, you've got red, amber and green. Green being the kind of local high. The amber one is your next resistance point, and we've got two reds here. We've got strong supports at $1.25, and we've got strong support around about the $1.07 range as well for Ultra. So this is where it could go just now. It looks as if, because Bitcoin is going down a wee bit just now, it looks as if it could go back down to $1.25. If it falls below that, you've seen it fell below that here around about the beginning of January, and it fell all the way down to around about the $1 range. I think it dipped quite below that as well. So these are the support areas here. You can see that quite clearly back in the past. This is historical support as well, and that's on the 4 hourly. We'll just go to the daily just now, and you can see it clearer on the daily as well. The support there, and we've got support around about this area as well, what's previously been resistance. So this is resistance area is $1.46. So we need a bounce for around about the $1.25 area all the way back up to 146. Hopefully it pushes through that and goes up to the local high of $1.92 before it goes to its all-time high of $2.50. I fully expect that in 2022. At the moment, maybe for the next couple of weeks or so, we're looking at possibly a downturn for US, for the whole market, to be honest. And we'll see what's looking at for the EMA crossing. So we're going to have a look at the EMA crossing for the 721 EMA crossing. I look at the 50 and the 200, but I find the 721 much better on the daily for this as well. You can see it crossed down at $1.60. That would have been an indication to sell US at $1.60. But if you go down to the low time frames, obviously it's been in and out of that area as well. If we look at the 4 hourly, there's a cross to the upside of $1.21, and we're still the 7 EMA is still up over the 21 EMA for that price point as well. So it depends on what time frame you're using. If you're looking for a more macro point of view, you're better using the daily. If you're short-term trading the likes of US, which I wouldn't advise doing, to be honest, but unless you're a day trader, but if you're short-term trading it, then you're looking at, it's just about to cross down to the downside, but you have to wait on a confirmation candle for that. So we'll just keep looking at the daily just now and wait on this crossing back over. Hopefully we get a bounce at $1.25. If not, I wouldn't worry too much about it. $1.07 is going to be your next support area, and I think that would be an amazing place to get in at. Round about that area, $1 to $1.07 would be a brilliant place to get into US as well. Okay, that's it for now. Until next video, namaste. Take care. Bye now.